From ancient myths to modern cinema, twins have captivated our imaginations for centuries. The allure of twins is deeply rooted in our history and culture, appearing in folklore, literature, and art across the globe. Their doubled presence seems to defy the ordinary, offering a glimpse into a world of mirrored reflections and uncanny connections. Twins often symbolize duality and balance, embodying the concept of two halves making a whole. Perhaps it's the striking resemblance of identical twins that sparks our curiosity, as they appear to be perfect copies of one another, yet each with their own unique soul. Or maybe it's the subtle differences in fraternal twins that make us question the very nature of individuality. These differences highlight the fascinating diversity of human genetics. Whatever the reason, twins continue to hold a unique fascination, prompting us to ponder the mysteries of genetics, environment, and the remarkable tapestry of human development. Scientists and researchers study twins to understand how much of who we are is shaped by our genes versus our surroundings. The existence of two individuals, seemingly cast from the same mold, challenges our understanding of uniqueness. It raises questions about identity and the essence of what makes each of us who we are. How can two people share so much yet still emerge as distinct individuals? This paradox is at the core of our endless fascination with twins. This question lies at the heart of our fascination with twins, urging us to explore the complex interplay of nature and nurture. Through twins, we seek to unravel the secrets of human identity and the forces that shape our lives. To unravel the science behind twin similarities, we must first understand the different types of twins. Twins can be broadly categorized into two main types, identical and fraternal. Each type has its own unique origin and characteristics that influence their similarities and differences. Identical or monozygotic twins originate from a single fertilized egg that splits in two. This process results in two embryos that share the same genetic material. This remarkable event creates two individuals with nearly identical DNA, the genetic blueprint for life. Because they come from the same egg, identical twins are essentially natural clones of each other. Fraternal or dizygotic twins, on the other hand, develop from two separate eggs fertilized by two different sperm. This means that they are genetically distinct from one another. Genetically speaking, fraternal twins are no more alike than any other siblings, sharing roughly 50% of their DNA. They can be of the same or different sexes and often have different physical characteristics. This fundamental difference in origin underpins the distinct similarities and differences observed between identical and fraternal twins. While identical twins often look remarkably similar, fraternal twins can vary widely in appearance. Identical twins with their shared genetic blueprint are remarkably alike in physical appearance, often sharing strikingly similar facial features, hair color, and even mannerisms. Their similarities can be so profound that even close family members may have difficulty telling them apart. Fraternal twins, while still sharing a family resemblance, exhibit a wider range of variation in their physical traits. They may have different hair colors, eye colors, and even different heights, reflecting the genetic diversity that comes from being born from separate eggs. To comprehend the uncanny resemblance of identical twins, we must delve into the intricate world of genetics. DNA, the molecule of heredity, carries the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. It's a vast library of information passed down from parents to offspring, encoding everything from eye color to predisposition to certain diseases. Identical twins sharing virtually identical DNA sequences inherit the same genetic instructions for development. This shared blueprint guides the formation of their physical characteristics, influencing their height, build, and susceptibility to certain traits. Fraternal twins, with their distinct DNA combinations, inherit a mix of genetic instructions, resulting in a wider array of physical variations. The influence of genes extends beyond broad physical characteristics, shaping the intricate details of our appearance. Genes are like the blueprint of a building, determining the structure and design of our bodies. They dictate everything from the color of our eyes to the shape of our lips, creating a unique combination that makes each individual distinct. From the shape of our noses to the texture of our hair, countless genes work in concert to sculpt our unique features. These genetic instructions are passed down from our parents, blending together to form the mosaic of traits that define us. Each gene plays a specific role, contributing to the overall picture of who we are. Identical twins inheriting the same set of these genes often exhibit remarkable similarities in these fine details. Their shared genetic makeup results in nearly identical physical appearances, making them fascinating subjects for genetic studies. However, their similarities go beyond just looks. They often share similar health profiles and even behavioral traits. However, even with identical DNA, subtle differences can arise. These differences can be influenced by various factors, including random genetic mutations and environmental influences. For instance, one twin might develop a freckle that the other does not, or they might have slight variations in their fingerprints. Environmental factors such as sun exposure and nutrition can influence gene expression, leading to slight variations in skin tone or hair color. These external elements interact with our genetic code, sometimes enhancing or suppressing certain traits. This dynamic relationship between genes and environment is a key area of study in understanding human development. These nuances highlight the complex interplay between genes and environment, even in the most genetically similar individuals. It shows that while our genes provide the foundation, our experiences and surroundings can shape the final outcome. This interplay is what makes each person truly unique, even among identical twins. Fraternal twins, with their greater genetic diversity, display even wider variations in appearance, showcasing the vast potential of human genetic variation. Unlike identical twins, fraternal twins inherit different combinations of genes from their parents, resulting in a broader range of physical traits. This diversity underscores the incredible complexity and beauty of human genetics.